Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome and hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified on my next upload. Today we are going to make some beef short ribs, and I'm going to use the recipe out of Cooking with Miss Quad, Live, Laugh, Love, and Eat cookbook. So let me get everything set up for you. So I did a few substitutions for my beef ribs. I let them marinate with Italian dressing last night. I have my dry ingredients, which she wants to use kosher salt, pepper, paprika, and she requested nutmeg. I'm substituting the nutmeg with cinnamon. I am not a fan of nutmeg, okay? So if you want to use nutmeg, go ahead. I don't like the taste of it, so that is my only substitution. I'm going to rub these in very well. Now that these are seasoned very well, we're going to go over to the stove and put them in there so we can brown all the sides. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our oil is heated up. We're going to do this in 2 batches. I'm going to let it just sear faithfully for about 2 or 3 minutes. We just want to get it a little brown. Make sure you do all the sides, okay? I can smell that cinnamon. This is actually my first time doing beef ribs, so I'm looking forward to the taste here. I said this year I was going to try some new recipes. The other day I made oxtails, which is my first time making those. If you haven't tried or looked at that video, I'll leave that link below in the description box. Take these out. I'll scrape some of this good juices off of here. That goodness, as we like to call goodness. Maybe because the cinnamon maybe is burning a tad bit. I really want to use cinnamon in oatmeal and my sweet potatoes. About 1 or 2 minutes until they're soft. Now we're going to add in our 4 cups of beef stock. So 1 32 ounce will basically be your 4 cups. And then we need 2 tablespoons of our favorite, Worcestershire. 2 tablespoons. We're going to bring this to a boil. I'm enjoying cooking this recipe. All right, so let's give this a stir. Turn this fire back up on high. Now that this has come to a boil, we're going to turn it down on low. Oh, this smells so good. We ain't even done nothing yet, y'all. Add back in our meat. Our beef short ribs. Oh, this is going to be delicious. I just know it is, y'all. I just know it's going to be delicious. Well, they weren't supposed to be submerged into the liquid. So if you're using a pot like this, I would just recommend using 3 cups, okay? So they're not completely submerged in the liquid. That's how it looks. We need a sprig of rosemary and a sprig of thyme. Just gonna lay it on top just like that. That's the rosemary. And that's the sprig of thyme. Ooh, that smells good, y'all. Got everything here. So we need to cover it. And we're gonna place it in the oven. Okay, let's put this into our oven here. You gotta make sure y'all use mitten because I live by danger sometimes. So I have it set for 375, and then once that's done, we'll come back and look at it, okay? So I'll see you back when it's done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it has been exactly 2 hours. But look at this, y'all. Oh my God. They are falling off the bone. I kid you not. Look. Oh my God, look at that, y'all. They got a bone. Told y'all it's gonna fall off the bone. Oh my goodness, y'all. There go the other piece of bone. We're supposed to add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. That's about a tablespoon to me. And then let's give that a stir in there. There's that other bone I was looking for. Ooh, that's hot. What was I thinking? Told y'all I live on the edge sometimes. Let's give that a mix in there. There's the other bone. And then we're gonna take out those springs. But doesn't that look delicious? I'm gonna plate this up for you guys with my macaroni and cheese and my green beans and let you get a bite of this, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have my plate with my macaroni and cheese and a little bit of green beans. Now, of course, you're gonna use some barbecue sauce if you want to. I'm using some Applewood barbecue sauce by Weber. I normally use Sweet Baby Ray's, but this is what I'm using tonight. And let's test these ribs. Oh, done by Cooking with Quads recipe out of her cookbook. Look at that, y'all. I don't even need a knife, but I just want to show you. Look at that. Look how it's falling off. Oh, see that? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, Jesus. It's on, y'all. Okay, so my Kansas City Chiefs did win. They did come back. They won the game 51-31. What do y'all think? Want some barbecue sauce? I'm gonna dip mine over there. Y'all get a bite? Y'all, I just can't tell you how good this tastes. Y'all have to try this recipe for real. Look at that. Take that piece of fat off of there. Look at that. Delicious. Mmm. And want some macaroni and cheese? Mmm. You know you gotta have some vegetables, right? Y'all, this Sunday dinner is a winner. I want to thank Miss Quad for her cookbook. Although I did switch a few ingredients, but for the most part, it is delicious, y'all. Y'all need to try this recipe. When you do, like the video, share this video with your friends and family. Always leave a comment below when you watch a video. Hit the subscribe button at the top left-hand corner where you see my photo and the bell next to it so you'll be notified when I do my next video. Until then, God bless you and have a wonderful week.